Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I try and create home decor stuff on a budget. Today I'm making this wall mirror decor out of some embroidery hoops and some yarn. So if you're interested in knowing how I made this, then please keep on watching. I'm starting by joining the ends of this embroidery hoops by using some wood glue. Now once the wood glue is dried, I am starting with the yarn. So for this bigger hoop, I am using this mustard color yarn and I'm starting by cutting them all into pieces. I did not have a specific length in mind, I just randomly had my first piece cut depending on how big I wanted the yarn to hang and then ended up cutting all the rest of the pieces of the same length. After that, I am tying all these yarn pieces around the hoop and I am not going all the way around the hoop, probably like covering 3/4 of the hoop with it. I did the same thing with the smaller hoop too, for which I used this bluish green yarn. Now as the mustard yarn was a bit thicker one, so I did not bother to open it, but I did open the yarn which I used on the small hoop, as this will give me some extra volume. For opening it, I am simply rolling it in between my palms and the surface a couple of times and then started separating each strand. I decided to leave them curly as I liked the curly effect of the yarn. Next, I felt like covering up the wood of the hoop with some yarn too, for which I am simply flipping the two colors and wrapping the wood part of the hoop with the yarn. Then I glued the two hoops together by using some hot glue, and this is where this DIY went a bit downhill for me as I accidentally spilled some hot glue on the yarn too, which was very annoying to remove. So FYI, please be careful while using hot glue around cloth or yarn in general. To cover this goof up, I decided to use some extra yarn and tied both the hoops together so that the glue stains are covered. Then for the mirror, I am using some all-purpose construction adhesive. I decided not to use the hot glue here because the construction adhesive gives a better control of the flow of glue, and I really needed to make sure that I don't spill more of that hot glue on the yarn and create some more mess. But you can of course use hot glue if you can be careful, but since I couldn't, so I went with the construction adhesive. And that's it, your simple mirror decor is ready. I would say that it was easy to make except for the mess that I personally made with spilling the hot glue on the yarn. I also ended up by giving a short trim to the yarn so that it can have a somewhat consistent shape. The total cost of this project for me personally was $0 because all the stuff that I have used here were the things that I already had from my past DIYs, which if you want to check out, you can do it by clicking on the top right I button. But for now, let me know if you liked my efforts, and if you did, then you know the drill. Smash that like button and leave all your views and feedback in the comment section below. And if you're interested in more inexpensive DIYs or DIYs on a budget, then join me by subscribing to my channel and make sure to click that little bell icon right next to it so that you always know when I upload all my future videos. Thank you so much for your time and support. I really appreciate it. I will talk to you soon with a new DIY. Till then, please take care and stay safe.